Hey, I'm Adam Anderson, one of the drivers of the legendary Gravedigger. And today, we're going to talk about scale. This is Mini Gravedigger at 1/87 scale. That means the real Gravedigger behind me is 87 times as big as this one. Think of it this way. If you stack 87 of these on top of each other, that would be as tall as the real Gravedigger. But don't let the small size fool you. This Mini goes just as hard as the big boys. Spin Master makes tons of awesome Monster Jam trucks in different sizes. Let's check them out. The next size up is 164. This is the classic Gravedigger truck used in the Monster Jam stunt sets like the stunt dial set. Then there's 143, small enough to fit in your hand but big enough for some awesome Monster Jam stunt mechanisms inside. These are the size of Rev and Roar, Click and Flip, and Spin Ripper trucks. We go from 143 to 124. This scale is bigger and so is the Monster Jam action. You can really feel it when you push them over ramps and land backflips. Next up is 115. Now you're really behind the wheel with RC action. The stunts get amped up with Gravedigger freestyle force. Then we go from 115 to 110. It may be a small jump in size, but the action goes to the next level. The 110 RC storms into racing with the glaring red headlights leading the charge. The next size is so big, we don't have a number for it. We just call it Mega. This is Mega Gravedigger. You can tell by the size that this truck is up for anything. It's big enough and light enough to pull off the same stunts I do in the real Gravedigger. Let's flip it and think about scale in reverse. The real Gravedigger is 12 feet tall, 12 feet wide, and weighs over 12,000 pounds. The tires alone are 5 feet tall. That's almost as tall as me. My sister, Kristen, broke the world record by jumping Gravedigger 33 feet, 9.6 inches in the air. That's as tall as a 3-story building. If you scale up the action from the stunt dial set, where 164 Gravedigger jumped 3 feet in the air, that would equal the real Gravedigger going almost 200 feet in the air. That's more than 6 times Kristen's world record. How crazy is that? So now that we've gone over scale, you know exactly what these numbers on Spin Master's Monster Jam trucks mean and how they relate to the real Gravedigger. Let's get back to the action.